Hello everyone, this is Silam. Today I'm working on a 2004 Pontiac Grand Am. Uh, it has the ABS TRAC light on. TRAC off ABS light on is very common problem on these vehicles and some other GM vehicle, I believe. So today all we will be doing is cleaning the sensor here, the wheel speed sensor that is located right behind here. And to do this job, I got the electronic cleaner, and I also got some dielectric grease. So I will start by disconnecting the sensor and start spraying this cleaner inside the connection. Okay guys, so I just disconnected the sensor. Now we start just spraying inside the connection. So after spraying the cleaner, I will just put a little bit of dielectric in there and connect it back in, and this should fix your issue with the ABS. Hopefully this is the most common cause, so hopefully this fixes it for you. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.